Hello and welcome to my So Different. So today I'm just doing get ready with me. So I got this FV oil control face primer and I still have some left and I want to use it, and just put the primer everywhere, including your lids, because I'm gonna put an eye look. So I'm gonna make sure to prime around my eyes, my mouth, under my chin, around my ear, temples. Get your temples because there's a heavy application there. Don't forget your nose. Get all around your nose, the corner of your eyes, the bridge of your nose, between your brow, and just get it on there. So the consistency is kind of watery, so I'm not really trusting it, but I don't know. We'll see, because I do have the FB concealer. It works really good and it's kind of liquid almost. So I'm gonna go in everywhere I have redness and dark spots, including my mouth and my eye. And my brow and my lid, in the corner of my eye, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit on the temple. No, and you can get in under your chin and around the ears, and then just blend it in general, because there's a lot of product already laid out. And I usually just go ahead and do my entire nose because I have so much discoloration on my nose. So that's that. And just rub it in. And then blend it into the eye bag right here, the sinus right here, and into the temple. And you can go around your brow. I think it looks a little bit better when you go around your brow. Make your brow really nice looking. And with this concealer pencil, and I will do my waterline, and just, you can go in as many times as you need. And I want to get my brow on. And just go in and just do little strokes on both sides, on the top, on the first part of your brow right here. Just little strokes until it's filled in, and then keep going to the middle where the arch is and do the little arch. Fill it in, fill it in. And then go down as far as you can. And just even it out. Make sure you didn't miss any spots. And then what you do is you go in with the spoolie and just kind of swoop into it, swoop into it, comb it out, groom it, get it nice and laid out, flat and combed through. Again, I'm in love with LA Colors recently, and this palette is called Color Vibe. It has 12 colors in it. You see right there, it says Color Vibe, and the shades Bright. We're gonna go in with the white on the brow bone. When I'm really excited to try something, I do it backwards. I have no idea what. And I'm gonna do a pink on the lid. You see this pink? I'm gonna do that right here. Just close your eye and do the entire lid pink. And you see how it pops? Just like that. Actually, I want to get the side of that sponge in there and kind of like, I guess, get both sides. Yeah, that's how you want to do it. And then go in the crease and the inner corner up, just one stroke, and then do it again. You see that? And that's gonna be the outline. And then you can go in the crease towards the outer corners and darken it. Just like that. The dark shades, so I'm gonna apply black right here, and we're gonna make a little wing look. Just apply it to the outer corners of your eye, and then go in and blend it. And I just like to wing it a little bit. Put on a thick line. And I will do that now. very little bit. So I'm going to start with this. So I'm going to go ahead and get my whole face with this Sun Zapper SPF 50. I think, what does it say? Tinted moisturizer in light medium. My nose, under my eye. I'm just going around my natural lip. It's called Nudie Nude by LA Colors. You see that? And I'm just gonna go the whole lip. Try to blend that color into the liner. I like to do my curl first and then go in with the mascara. And literally just do the bottom. Just to set everything in. This is my SPF face powder. It's it says sunscreen shaping powder. So thank you guys for watching. This is the look, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace on different. Bye bye.